Hilary Gardee o tla bolokwa kwa Mbombela bokhutlo jwa beke. Morwadia mokwaledi kakaretso wa maloba wa EFF Godrich Gardee o nyeletse ka Labotlhano. Badirapolaseng ba bone setopo sa gagwe ka Labobedi mo tseleng ya Lydenburg kwantlenyana ga Mbombela. Boorra Gardee ba re ba amogela kemonokeng e ba e bonang go tswa mo baaging.
The funeral of the late and beloved daughter of the Gardees will be held on Saturday, the 7th of May 2022, and it will be held in Kwamakuku Township in Nelspruit, here in Mbombela at the church on the hill. So confirmations are made and preparations are in place to lay to rest Hilary Gardee, who was abducted on the 29th of April, and her body was sadly found 60 kilometers out of Mbombela on the 3rd of May 2022. So as the family, we would like to extend our appreciation once again to the general public, to the people of South Africa for their consistent support in consoling the family and launching a campaign to find Hilary, and permanently being there and sending condolences. All dignitaries, all institutions, all political parties, all NGOs which have sent their condolences, we'd like to send and extend our appreciation to them.